Stop right there! Don't say these in Korean. Be careful next time. Ner! Be careful next time. Some of these words aren't always bad, but depending on who you say them to, they can sound really rude. Want to know which one is the most surprising? Then watch the full video. Number 7 is the one beginners say the most, but it can be the rudest. And tell me in the comments, which one do you think is really bad?
Number 7. No. Neo pio, meaning you. Sounds harmless, right? But saying no directly to someone you don't know well
sound rude or overly blunt.
너, you. With close friends, it's common. With strangers, be careful.
Number 6. Yeah. It can mean something like hey when calling a close friend. But say it to the wrong person and it can sound disrespectful.
Yeah. Friend, don't you okay? Stranger, don't you risky?
Number 5. Ajuma and ajumma. It refers to a middle-aged or older woman, but calling someone ajuma directly can sometimes feel impolite.
So don't randomly call someone ajumma just because you think it means ma'am.
Number 4. 아저씨볼, 아재오씨. This is commonly used for an adult man, but using it directly can sometimes sound too blunt.
Especially depending on the person's age and the situation.
아저씨, adult man. Context matters.
Number 7, 뭐, meaning what? If a friend says something and you answer in a sharp tone, it can sound like, what?
For a softer version, try 뭐라고요? In a polite situation.
Number 2. 빨리, quickly. This word itself isn't rude, but if you keep saying 빨리 to someone, you can sound bossy or impatient. Tone matters.
너 왜 그래? It means something like, what's wrong with you? Or why are you acting like that? Among close friends, it can be playful. 너 왜 그래? But with the wrong tone, it can sound confrontational.
So remember, 너, 야, 아줌마, 아저씨, 멈, 빨리, and 너 왜 그래? Korean isn't just about translating words.
Now your turn. Which Korean word surprised you the most? And if you want part 2 with even more Korean words beginners should be careful with, follow for the next lesson.
Subscribe to my channel.